Today I will discuss about voyeurism. Actually, the term voyeurism is derived from the French term voir, which means to see. अब voyeurism डील क्या है सेक्शन 77 of भारतीय न्याय संहिता 2023. And as per section 77, any man who watches or captures the image of a woman engaging in a private act. अब मैंने ना प्राइवेट एक्ट के नीचे मार्क किया क्योंकि प्राइवेट एक्ट क्या है ये भी सेक्शन 77 में एक एक्सप्लेनेशन में बोला है कि प्राइवेट एक्ट की मतलब क्या है, वो भी हम देखेंगे. In circumstances where she would usually have the expectation of not being observed either by perpetrator or by any other person at the behest of the perpetrator, or disseminate such image shall be punished on first conviction with imprisonment of either description for a term which shall not less than 1 year but which may extend to 3 years, and shall also be liable to fine and be punished on a second or subsequent conviction with imprisonment of either description for a term which shall not be less than 3 years but which may extend to 7 years, and shall also be liable to fine. मतलब अगर कोई भी वॉयरिज्म कर रही है पहली बार फर्स्ट टाइम तो उसका मिनिमम पनिशमेंट 1 ईयर है, मैक्सिमम पनिशमेंट 3 ईयर है. और अगर वही चीज़ वो सेकेंड टाइम कर रही है तो मिनिमम पनिशमेंट 3 ईयर है और मैक्सिमम पनिशमेंट 5 ईयर्स का है. और प्राइवेट एक्ट का मतलब क्या है? प्राइवेट एक्ट इंक्लूड्स एन एक्ट ऑफ वॉचिंग carried out in a place which in the circumstances would reasonably be expected to provide privacy, and where the victim's genitals, posterior or breast, overexposed or covered only in underwear, or the victim is doing a sexual act that is not of a kind ordinarily done in public. और एक्सप्लेनेशन 2 ने बोला था कि where the victim consents to the capture of the images or any act but not to their dissemination to the third persons, and where such image or act is disseminated, such dissemination shall be considered an offence under this section.